Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about fiorellastore.com review. By the end of this video, we will come to know that this is a genuine or another scam website. Right, so the trust score. So first of all, I will show you the trust score here. So here you can see the trust score is around 70. That's a good. This is IP and website accessible. This is fine. Right now, what non-index, this is false, 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 and these are the alarming things as you can see here. Right about this, you can just go and do the research by yourself. Right now, let's go and talk about this website status. The site appears to be experiencing technical issue because yeah, let me just take you to the website here, and they are selling around some of this women product, but certainly I don't know why they are selling this sports dress here, and there's a kid, and as well as there's some uh, you know uh, a grown woman dress here in the kids category, right, as you can see here. So I don't know, yeah, of course there's a technical glitch, and I don't know they are doing it intentionally or they just keep adding this product here. And when I just go and open this product, every product is sale, and I can just get to know that this is made on Shopify, right, as you can see here, powered by Shopify here. So this is a Shopify website here, and this is a product ID, and I don't know what's this product ID and where I can use it, but anyway they have just mentioned it for the details. And when I just go and click on, I have added here +2, and there's a no option to add to cart. Okay, there's a seriously no option to add to cart or buy this product, right? Let me just go and test out a different product, right? So let's say I will just go here and +1, and there's a no option to buy. So as you can see here, I don't know, this domain is still active, but everything here, this is completely, I don't know, this is a technical glitch or just this is done intentionally. And when I just go and click on the contact us here, they have given us the mobile number. Tried it, it doesn't work. The email address, okay, and I don't know whether it's work or not. And they are located in India, Gujarat. Okay, I think this website is completely down. That's why they have removed this option to purchase this product, right? And the domain is pretty active for the 1 year, max to max 1 year. And the product offering, the website sell item commonly associated with the scam, such as low cost fashion. And of course, as you can see here, there's a new way that you can buy for this rupees 49 rupees. 49 rupees is not even a dollar, right? So if I just go and show you by converting it into a dollar here, so it's around $1.5, right? And do you really believe that a proper cloth can be bought into $1.5? That's not possible, right? So this is very, of course, this is sketchy, and there's a no way that anybody can, so support or believe this website that they can purchase a product, right? But no way that you cannot purchase a product because there's an option to buy to cart here. And the last is a SSL certificate. While this site has a valid SSL certificate which incorporate data, and there's a no definitive indicator of safety, as a scammer can also acquire SSL certificate to appear legitimate, right? So in summary, while fiolastore.com may not be definitively labeled as a scam, because I don't know, the founder could be just stop posting the product here, and they have stopped running this website, and maybe they have purchased a subscription for the Shopify for 1 year. That's why it's still on running phase, but of course you cannot buy it. So it's completely up to you guys. And as you can see here, these faces are of celebrity faces, and I don't think celebrities are going to promote this product. They have used it without asking the permission, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.